Nakakita ka ani na property? Did you know that the property equity is only 2,999 per month? So gamay kaayo siyang equity. This is a scheme by the developer for those clients nga ganahan nga wala sila i-shell out nga dako nga equity. But then again, the monthly amortization of this property is too high. So my personal recommendation is i-times 3 lang ang bayad sa imong equity or i-times 5 nimo because ang rules sa real estate, the higher the equity paid, the lower loanable amount ug lower ang monthly amortization. It is better to sacrifice during the equity stage. Ayaw lang sa amortization stage kay taas magud kaayo siya. Take note, when you buy a property nga nag-offer sila og lower equity, don't buy it right away. Dapat ang imong stratehiya ana nga buhaton nimo i-times 5, i-times 6 or kaya i-times 10 nimo ang imong equity. You can do it by lump sum kung ang property is nasa 90% para mo gamay ang loanable amount, mo gamay ang monthly amortization ug di ka maglisod sa imong monthly tenure.